Yo, what's Gucci, yo? Your boy's back on YouTube. Yeah, I just haven't been on recently because this football grind was real. If you guys don't follow my social media, it'll be down below in the description. Yeah, today's my first day of high school. I don't know what to expect, but I'm just gonna walk in there with a positive attitude and just do my work, just stay on task. Best 4 years of my life. And yeah, I hope to see all my friends, everyone, bruh. Just make new friends, join everything I can, just have the best experience of my life. Let's get it started.
Cell phone? Cell phone. I think you have heard this several times. Put it in your backpack, okay? Next one.
Be ready to learn, avoid profanity, be seated at the bow, enter classroom, prepare to work.
And be prepared to work. That's it. 8. Okay, so be in class. Continue. What's that? Avoid hovering. What's that?
Okay, don't be nodding your head. Manual prayer. Guy who left, what was his name? Oh, that was Alan. Well, good.
Bro, we're in first period.
We're full.
My gosh. Guys,
$2 pencils, 99 cents.
I actually got them for $2.99 at Walmart. Thanks.
At Walmart.
Yeah.
That's how you got.
Colored pencils.
You know, I got these two. You know, I'm gone like that.
I'm actually skin color.
Blue?
Black.
Oh, that's racist. No, it's good in the video, bro.
How's that racist?
You said it's black like his skin color.
I'm just kidding. I don't want to hurt you. I'm just kidding, bro.
Look, I was
Dude, my highlighters fell out.
I was skating and look, I hurt myself right here. Look.
What period is this?
You don't have to bring them there, guys. That's okay. I'll collect them. It's already up.
Yeah, Christian, sit down, bro.
You sit down.
You want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Guys, make sure you subscribe to Sneakerhead.
Yeah, guys, subscribe to me so I can make money to pay for my gym membership. Just really working hard
I'll
on it.
double check, so don't think you can keep it, and then I will call you.
I like boys.
What? Oh, no, that's going in the video. That's going in the video. No, I'm putting that. Bro, third period sus. You heard what he said? Yo, what's up, y'all? So this is gonna conclude the video. This is gonna conclude the video. First day was alright, but it's how I really actually expected it to be, but no real difference. Yeah, I didn't record much because there's nothing really to record because it was the first day and they were like explaining literally everything in the class, bro. But it's already like 8:40. Maybe hop on some Fortnite real quick and maybe just go to bed because it was a long day. I had football practice. So yeah, let's go.